Here is my tech talk for the week ending September 27th, 2024. And this week's topic is password managers, why you need one, and how to choose the right one. Imagine losing everything, not your house, not your car, but your entire digital life. One weak password, and boom, your bank, email, and social media are all compromised in seconds. Scary, right? And yet, many of us still rely on the same password we've had since, well, the dawn of time. But hey, it's not your fault. Passwords can be a headache. What if I told you there's a way to make this security nightmare disappear? Stay with me because we're about to dive into something that will revolutionize the way you protect your digital world. Password managers. Yep, these handy tools are the unsung heroes that keep your private data safe, organized, and ready to go with a single click. Why should you care? Because the internet's not getting any safer, but your digital life can be. So let's get right to it. What are password managers and why on earth do you need one? The importance of password managers. Passwords are the gatekeepers to your digital life. Every app, every website, every service wants a password. And if you're like most people, you've got a few favorites you recycle. Maybe a combination of a pet's name and a birthday. But here's the kicker. Hackers love that. Predictable patterns? They eat those for breakfast. That's where password managers come in. These magical tools generate, store, and manage complex, unique passwords for every site you visit. In short, they do the heavy lifting while you relax and never have to remember another password again. How password managers work. Picture this. Instead of remembering 57 different passwords, you remember just one, the master password. Your password manager handles the rest. It encrypts all your login details into a secure vault, which only you can access. And when you need to log into a site, one click and your password manager fills in the details for you. But here's where it gets even better. Some password managers now support passkeys. What are passkeys, you ask? They're the next evolution in password security. Passkeys let you log in using biometric data, like your fingerprint or Face ID, instead of a traditional password. This makes it practically impossible for hackers to break into your accounts because you're the only one who can unlock them. It's faster, more secure, and trust me, way cooler. Choosing the right password manager. Now I know what you're thinking. There are a ton of password managers out there. How do you choose the right one? Let's break it down. Security features. You want one that uses top-tier encryption. Look for AES 256 encryption. It's the same kind that banks and governments use. Bonus points if it includes two-factor authentication and passkey support, adding that extra layer of security. Cross-platform support. Does it work on your phone, tablet, and computer? Because you want a password manager that's as flexible as your digital habits. Ease of use. This isn't meant to be rocket science. The best password managers make things easy. Look for intuitive interfaces, autofill capabilities, and simple setup processes. And with passkeys, logging in will feel like magic, quick and secure. Syncing across devices. Let's face it, we use multiple devices every day. Your password manager should seamlessly sync across all of them so you can access your passwords anytime, anywhere. Backup and recovery options. In case you forget your master password, it happens to the best of us. You want a password manager that offers secure recovery options. Cost. Many password managers offer free versions, but premium features often come with a price. Decide what you need and what you're willing to invest. Your digital security is worth it, right? The best password managers. Okay, so you're sold on the idea. But which ones are worth checking out? Let's list some of the top contenders. Dashlane, a slick, easy-to-use manager that offers password health scores and dark web monitoring. If your credentials show up on the dark web, Dashlane will let you know. They also support passkey features, making your login experience faster and more secure. This is the password manager I use. LastPass, known for its strong encryption and cross-platform compatibility. LastPass offers both free and premium versions. It also has a secure password sharing feature, making it easy to safely share logins with family or colleagues. LastPass has even begun rolling out passkey support to future-proof your logins. 1Password. This one's for those who want extra customization. 1Password has vaults for different types of data, like credit cards and IDs, and even supports travel mode, which removes sensitive info from your devices when you're crossing borders. Plus, it's passkey ready. Bitwarden, an open source password manager that's perfect for those who want maximum security without the hefty price tag. It offers premium features, but is one of the most budget-friendly options out there. And yes, Bitwarden also supports passkeys. Keeper. Keeper offers high-end security with biometric login options, like fingerprint and facial recognition, adding a futuristic touch to your password game. Passkey support is available, making it a top-tier choice for those looking to stay ahead of the curve. Common concerns about password managers. Wait a second, you might say. Aren't password managers just putting all your eggs in one basket? Great question. And the answer is not really. A password manager is only as strong as the master password you choose. And if that password is complex and secure, you've got nothing to worry about. Add two-factor authentication and passkey options, and you're golden. Some people are also weary about trusting a service with all their sensitive info. But remember, these tools are designed to protect you with end-to-end encryption. Your data is stored in a way that even the password manager company can't access it. Conclusion: why you need one now. Password managers aren't just a convenience, they're a necessity in today's digital world. With the sheer number of accounts we all juggle, using a single password for everything just isn't safe anymore. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that a password manager gives you security, ease, and peace of mind, all wrapped up in one neat little package. It's like having your very own personal cybersecurity assistant. And trust me, once you start using one, especially with passkey support, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. You'll find the video of today's Tech Talk at the link listed. Did you know? Your hike through the grocery store to get to basic staples like sugar and flour isn't accidental. Modern grocery store layouts are designed so that shoppers have to walk past more profitable products before reaching staple items in the back and outer aisles. There is no official definition for the building term skyscraper, and the term is generally used to describe buildings relative to each other. A building that towers over the skyline in St. Louis might be called a skyscraper by the locals, but wouldn't be considered such by New Yorkers. The pattern of your tongue surface is as unique as your fingerprints. But thankfully, fingerprinting caught on before tongue printing. So none of us have to lick a stamp pad. Just thought you might like to know. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life, thanks to Muhammad Ali. And that's a wrap for this week's Tech Talk and Beyond. I'll see you again next week. Bye bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.